Welcome to the historic city of Jiaxing, a jewel of the Jiangnan region where the poetic elegance of ancient water towns meets the vigor of modern industry. Strategically positioned between the global hubs of Shanghai and Hangzhou, Jiaxing serves as a vital cultural and economic conduit within the prosperous Yangtze River Delta. This is a landscape defined by water, where the intricate network of canals has dictated the rhythm of life and commerce for over 2,000 years. As a city of profound historical significance, Jiaxing offers a sophisticated equilibrium between its tranquil emerald waterways and its status as a high-tech manufacturing powerhouse. Join us as we navigate the fog-covered bridges and the soaring skylines of a city that remains a primary guardian of China's traditional riverbound heritage. The identity of Jiaxing is inextricably linked to the Beijing-Hangzhou Grand Canal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has functioned as the city's lifeblood since antiquity. For centuries, this monumental feat of engineering allowed Jiaxing to flourish as a prominent center for the silk trade and a major granary for the empire. The canal banks are lined with ancient stone wharves and traditional residences, whispering stories of the countless merchants and scholars who once traversed these vital routes. Today, the canal remains a living monument, seamlessly integrating with the modern urban landscape while providing a serene backdrop for the city's rapid contemporary expansion. This enduring waterway continues to facilitate ecological beauty and cultural continuity, ensuring that the historical spirit of the Yangtze Delta remains vibrant and accessible. In the heart of the city lies South Lake, or Nanhu, a site of immense political prestige, where the modern history of China was forever changed. It was here, upon a simple wooden boat, that the Communist Party of China was founded in 1921, turning Jiaxing into a destination of great national pride. If you are finding this exploration of Jiaxing's rich heritage fascinating, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality travel documentaries. By subscribing, you support our mission to bring you deep dives into the world's most influential cities and their unique contributions to global history and culture. The Red Boat of South Lake stands as a symbol of pioneering spirit, reflecting the city's ability to initiate monumental shifts in both politics and economic development. Wuzhen Water Town represents the pinnacle of Chinese heritage preservation, offering a cinematic experience of ancient stone bridges, weathered wooden houses, and winding cobblestone alleys. Divided into the Dongjia and Shijia districts, Wuzhen has successfully transitioned from a quiet agricultural village into a premier global destination for culture and the arts. The town is famous for its blue calico fabric and Sanbai wine, traditions that are meticulously maintained to provide visitors with an authentic glimpse into the past. Despite its ancient appearance, Wuzhen is also a pioneer of the future, serving as the permanent host for the prestigious World Internet Conference since 2014. This duality makes Wuzhen a unique global landmark, where high-speed digital innovation coexists harmoniously with the slow, rhythmic traditions of a 1,000-year-old water town. Unlike many other historic sites, Xitang Water Town is renowned for its authenticity, as it remains a vibrant community where local residents still live and work. The town is characterized by its unique covered corridors, or langpeng, which stretch for over a kilometer to protect both merchants and pedestrians from the elements. With over 100 bridges dating back to the Ming and Qing dynasties, Xitang offers an architectural masterclass in the engineering styles of ancient China. Film enthusiasts may recognize its narrow lanes and historic rooftops from major international productions, highlighting Xitang's status as a world-class visual and cultural icon. Walking through Xitang at dusk, when the red lanterns begin to glow against the water, reveals the timeless charm that makes Jiaxing a cornerstone of Jiangnan beauty. The municipal government of Jiaxing has placed a high priority on ecological conservation, ensuring that urban development does not come at the expense of the environment. Extensive wetland parks and green belts have been integrated into the city's master plan, creating a sponge city that manages water resources with modern efficiency. The Shihu Lake area and the various botanical gardens offer residents a peaceful sanctuary for recreation, exercise, and a deep connection with the natural world. Bird migration routes pass through the region's pristine waterways, making Jiaxing a vital site for biodiversity and environmental research within the highly developed Yangtze Delta. This commitment to a green Jiaxing reflects the city's long-term vision of a sustainable future where nature and technology are in perfect, productive alignment. Jiaxing has long been a cradle for intellectuals, poets, and artists, fostering a culture that deeply values education and the pursuit of refined scholarly knowledge. The Jiaxing Museum and the various cultural centers showcase the city's rich artistic history, from ancient pottery to contemporary inkwash paintings that capture the river life. The city is home to several prestigious vocational colleges and research institutes that fuel the local economy with a highly skilled and innovative workforce. Annual festivals celebrating folk music, traditional boat racing, and literary achievements ensure that the younger generations remain connected to their profound cultural roots. This intellectual vibrancy creates a community that is open-minded, forward-looking, and deeply respectful of the historical forces that have shaped their unique coastal identity. As Jiaxing continues to evolve, it stands as a model for how a city can modernize without losing its essential character or its historical soul. The integration of smart city technologies and the expansion of the world internet influence will keep Jiaxing at the forefront of the global digital economy. Whether you are drawn to the tranquility of its ancient water towns or the dynamism of its business districts, Jiaxing offers a truly comprehensive experience. Thank you for exploring this charming city with us. Please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated on our journeys. From the red boat of history to the high-tech corridors of tomorrow, Jiaxing remains a radiant example of China's enduring beauty and its limitless future.